It's Junk Journal July, a wonderful month-long junk journal extravaganza hosted by Meg Journals, featuring 30 of your favorite junk journal artists responding to Meg's daily journal prompts. I have day 10, Stripped Back, a creative prompt that speaks to my minimalist soul. I really tried to push myself to see how little I could do on these pages to make the most impact. Though I'm now, in retrospect, I'm not sure if that's exactly what Meg intended with Stripped Back. Like maybe it was stripes. How do you spell stripes? Striped? No one says striped. Anyway, so maybe I did do the prompt correct, but that's the awesome thing about Junk Journal July is that there is no such thing as correct. You just see the prompt and you do what your creative spirit tells you to do. So, like I said, I tried to do as little as possible on these pages. So I chose cutouts as the primary element on the page. Cutouts create a sense of layering without adding extra materials. And really, when I think about junk journals, it's all about the layering. It's the layers. That's the star of the show. So I do some stamping. When we get to it, you'll see that I take a literal design interpretation of the stamped out words pull open by varying the space between the letters, giving a sense that the words are being pulled open. So there's 2 layers of the same meaning. Really, there's 3 layers of meaning on this page because I actually cut out doors. So when you are working with limited materials, you kind of got to get a little creative on ways of adding layers. And sometimes you can do that through meaning. What materials I do add are natural. They're dried flowers and metal brads, intentionally, carefully framed and functional pieces of ephemera. This is what Stripped Back on day 10 of Junk Journal July looks like for me. And I hope you find some inspiration for it. It definitely inspired me. I wasn't thinking about this intentionally, but once the main page was done, I realized that I had 2 other spreads that were completed without me even thinking about it. So definitely want to continue to play with cutouts. They're awesome. Anyway, so I would love to see what everyone else did for this prompt as well. Be part of the conversation. Use the hashtag JunkJournalJuly 2023 to share your creations as well. Follow along or catch up with this awesome month-long journal challenge. You can see the previous prompts in the playlist below. So I'm gonna let the video ride out from here. If you're into minimalist-esque style creative journaling / junk journaling, consider watching my video about minimalist style in junk journals. I'll put that somewhere. You'll be able to watch it somewhere. Okay, thank you. Have an awesome Junk Journal July. And thank you, Meg, for asking me to be part of this. Okay, bye.